welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox and have a quick setup of the Amazon Echo Dot. So let's get started with the unboxing. So this is the box. uh, some commands are written here: Amazon branding and Echo Dot, and some features are written. And this device supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, the voice service, Amazon Music, Spotify, CNN, Hue, the Philips Hue, and many more. You can use this device to set up alarms for your smart home, and also for playing music. In the box, you get the user manual, the command card, the adapter for the charging, 9-volt adapter, the device, and the USB connector. The device consists of the mic on the top, the speakers all over the ring. This ring is LED lights, and the volume up down button, the mic on off button, the power button, Amazon branding on front. On the back you get USB connector and the audio jack for connecting speakers. For the setup of this device, you have to go to Play Store and download the Amazon Alexa app, and you have to register it through your Amazon account. I have already registered it. Then you have to go to the settings option. You have to press on this button. After clicking on that, you will get this interface, and you have to click on setup a new device. Then you have to choose your device. This device is Echo Dot. uh, Choose your language: English, India. Continue. You have to connect to the Wi-Fi, and now you have to press this button for 5 to 10 seconds until you get this
Now in setup mode.
until
Follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
now you get this orange ring. After this, you have to click continue. Now you will get this pop-up that your Echo Dot is connected. Now you have to click continue. Now this pop-up will come, and this shows that you are not connected to Wi-Fi network. Now you have to connect your home Wi-Fi. Now write the password. This will take 1 to 2 minutes.
Your Echo Dot is ready.
Now you will get the command. Now your setup is completed. Now uh, the app asks that you want to connect to the Bluetooth, or the audio cable, or you want no cable. Now you will get a YouTube video. Restart the app. In the app you get many options like music, media, flash briefing, routines, sports update, calendar list, and voice purchasing, etc. You can say the command to set up alarm, play music, and any other commands. You can also add skills from the skills option. So let's try some things. Alexa, set up alarm after 3 seconds.
3 seconds, starting now.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, who is the president of United States of America?
The US President is Donald Trump.
Alexa, who made you?
I'm made by Amazon.
Alexa, set, set up alarm.
Alarm for what time?
Tomorrow 7 a.m.
Alarm set for 7 a.m. tomorrow.
Alexa, what you can do for me?
You can tell me to turn up the volume, play music, create a to-do list, or look up a topic on Wikipedia. To find out more, check out the Things to Try page in the Alexa app.
Alexa, good night.
Good night.
That was the video. I hope you like it. Please do subscribe to my channel to get more updates and videos.